According to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division. 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. So 1 divided by 7 and again divided by 7. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 7 can be written as 1 over 7. Then divided by 7. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 7 times 1 over 7, which equals 1 over 7 times 7 gives us 49. So 1 over 49. And this is our final answer to this problem.